This is Djibouti, a small country located at the top corner of Africa with a population of only 1 million. Very few people in the Western world know about Djibouti, but Djibouti is one of the most important, dangerous, and hot geopolitical country in the world, because all the powerful countries of the world have military bases here. If you look at the map of Djibouti, you will see an American military base here, which is the only American military base on the entire African continent. Similarly, there are 2 French military bases here, and right next to the French base is the Japanese military base, which is Japan's only foreign military base in any country. Next to Japan, on this side, is the Italian military base. Similarly, there is also a French naval base here, with German and Spanish soldiers camps right next to it. And then on the opposite side, there is a large Chinese naval base as well. Similarly, the governments of India, Russia, and Saudi Arabia are also negotiating with the Djibouti government to set up military bases over there. So, in a nutshell, Djibouti might be the only country in the world with so many military bases, and this raises the question that what is so special about Djibouti that all the major superpowers have set up their military bases here? Let's find out the answer to this question in today's video. Now, Djibouti's importance lies in its geographic location. Djibouti is located directly opposite of Yemen, to the west of the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. The Bab el-Mandeb Strait is a narrow 28-kilometer passage through which all the sea vessels coming from the Indian Ocean enter the Red Sea, cross the Suez Canal, and then exit into the Mediterranean Sea, from where they reach all the European countries. So basically, this is the shortest route connecting Asia and the Middle East to Europe, and this makes it extremely geopolitically important, especially when we talk about oil and gas supply. 10% of the world's oil and 6% of natural gas supply pass through this 28 kilometers choke point, and all this gas and oil come from the Persian Gulf. The Persian Gulf is the body of water surrounded by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and Oman. This Persian Gulf region produces nearly 1/3 of the world's oil and holds over half of the world's crude oil reserves, as well as around 40% of the world's natural gas reserves. All these countries possess 50% of the world's oil and 40% of the world's total natural gas reserves, and this is why the Persian Gulf is the most important geographic location of the 21st century, because half of the world's energy supply depends on this region. Oil and gas from these countries are loaded onto oil tankers, which then pass through this 20-mile choke point to reach all major Asian countries like Pakistan, India, China, South Korea, and Japan. Similarly, the rest of the oil and gas passes through the Arabian Sea, enters the Indian Ocean, crosses the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, and through the Suez Canal, it reaches European countries. According to 2022 statistics,